Hello everybody, getting ready to do lesson 7.5 Geometry 1 Math Part 1. Part 2 and Part 3, you're going to need those students. Email me here. 7.5 Part 1, here is your standard, here is your objective, and here is our 34 points of classwork sheet. You need one of those. Notebook, there's no notebook assignment here. Teachers, here is today's bell work for this one here. Solve this proportion using bisectors in the diagram below. You need that too here. Students, you have this situation here. Remember that. Give your students 5 minutes. Okay, welcome back. Our solutions, here's our solution for number 1, doing cross multiplying here. And then for number 2, angle STU equals these two angles added together, and we get 54 for number 2. Okay, into our lesson, proportionality. Suppose that a point P lies on GH. GH here, we have point P, and point Q lies on JK. Point Q lies on JK here. If GP equals PH, so GP equals PH, GP over PH, GP over PH equals JQ over QK, then we can say that lines GH and JK are divided proportionally. Yes? Okay, theorem 7.4, this is your classwork, page 2. If a line parallel to one side of a triangle intersects the other two sides, then it divides the two sides proportionally. Symbols, triangle QRS. If line segment TU is parallel to QS, so TU here is parallel to QS, then RT over TQ, RT over TQ equals RU over US. That's the proportionality, triangle proportionality theorem. So example 1, find segment lengths, find the value of x. So we got this value here we need to find. So triangle proportionality theorem, important thing is to set up a proportion here. CD over DB equals CE over EA. So here is our proportion here. Substitute we substitute in values now from this diagram, and then we solve for x. This is our property here, and then 48 equals 8x, 48 equals 8x. So what does x equal? X equals 6 when we do our divide out by using that proportionality theorem. Okay, our first guided practice, copying a complete proportion here. We're going to use a proportionality theorem and find the value of the variable here. Students, this is yours here. Let's do number 1. So BD over DA would equal CE over EA. CE, so we have CE over EA, BD over DA. And then here, we have to do the same thing, proportionality, 4 over 10 would equal y over 15. We solve for y and we get 6 for y. That's for you. Example 2, find segment lengths, find the value of y. So we got a situation here, these two lines here are parallel. That's what these solid arrows mean, they are parallel. This is 20, and then 3 and 9 on this side here. We need to find what y is. So you know that PS equals 20, PT equals y. By the segment addition postulate, TS equals 20 minus y. So TS equals 20 minus y. Then we can set up our triangle proportionality theorem here. And then we plug in. For TS, we know TS equals 20y, so we plug this in here. Cross product property, we multiply across and we come up with this expression here. We need to solve for y, so we add 3y to both sides. 60 equals 12y, divide through, and then we get 5 equals y for that. Okay, our next guided practice, find the value of the variable. We have two parallel lines here, use the parallel, so we can use that theorem, right? For this one here, then over here, same thing, students. Okay, for number 1, well, we do number 4 first. For you students, your lucky day, here's number 4, y over 14y. So we have y, and then this down here would be 14 minus y. That would be this segment here would be 14 minus y. And then 15 over 6 on this side, and then we solve for y. And then we come with y equals 10. And then up here we do the same thing. 10 over 5 equals x over 4. We solve for x. We get 8 equals x. Right? Okay, everybody, that was 7.5 of Geometry 1 Math, Part 1. You want Part 2, Part 3, email me there. If you need solution PowerPoints, email me. Quizzes, tests, worksheets, email me. Thank you.